Hola, bienvenidos de nuevo a mi canal. Welcome back to my channel, to Manny's kitchen table. Today, we're gonna do this amazing banana bread that I know you guys gonna love it. And it's really fast and easy to do, so stay with me. So we're gonna talk about very important part of our amazing bread, which is the bananas. As you can see, I have 4 bananas. They're not ready. They're still a little bit yellow over there. So we want our bananas to turn black, okay? So in that way, they're gonna be ready for our banana bread. And before I forgot, set the oven to 350 degrees. Don't forget that. It's gonna be 2 cups of flour. All right, so we have 1. We have 2. All right, so we have 2 cups of flour right here, approximately 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is salt. El siguiente paso sería una cucharada de sal, una cucharadita de sal. And you guys remember, like we doing like this, it's faster. It's gonna be so fast. You will see it. Okay, so the next step right here, it's half a teaspoon of baking powder. Como ven aquí, tenemos media cucharadita de polvo de hornear, a teaspoon baking soda. Como ven aquí, tenemos media cucharadita de baking soda. Okay, so as you can see right now, we have our dry ingredients right here. So we're gonna make sure to mix everything very well, okay? Just make sure, just move it like that. Now that we're finished whisking this, the dry ingredients, we're gonna do, right here I have 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chip, okay? And then we're just gonna whisk a little bit, and then that's ready. The dry ingredients are ready, people. So guess what? We have our bananas ready. As you can see, they turn black. Okay, so just leave the bananas aside. Let it go for a couple minutes. We have our bananas ready right here. Now we're gonna do this. That looks so good, guys. So soft. And you know what? It smells like banana. We have our bananas, and now we're gonna have to make sure that our bananas are gonna be very, very, very smashed. So as you can see, almost got it. Just a little bit more. So easy, you guys. We have our bananas ready. 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Okay. All right. So 3/4 of a cup. To mix this very well, as you can see, with the bananas. Vegetable oil, okay? All right, just make sure you guys to mix this very well. As you can see, I have a whisk right here. gonna be 1/3 of sour cream. Two eggs, okay? One and two. Okay, so we have 2 eggs right here. Okay. We're gonna do a tablespoon of vanilla. All right, tablespoon. Nice. You guys, smells really, really good. Okay, we have a dry ingredients right here and the wet ingredients right here. Okay. One thing that is very important right here, we have to make sure no overmix this, okay? So as you can see right now, I want to make sure that everything is together. That's good enough. Like I say, we don't have to overmix this. If you see a little bit of the flour over there, it's totally fine, okay? And I'm gonna go a little bit of the vegetable oil. Now, we're gonna do this. All right, you guys, as you can see, we're gonna make sure that we have everything beautiful and nice in this. You guys, I've been doing this for years and I'm very, very excited to share with you. I know you're gonna love it. Normally I do dark chocolate, but this time I'm gonna do white chocolate. And I want a lot of chocolate, you know? Because I love it, it's so good. I'm gonna do a little bit of this type of sugar. It's ready to go to the oven for 350 degrees for about 1 hour. Okay, I will see you 1 hour, guys. Our banana bread is ready. Okay, so you guys follow me, please. Look at this. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna try our banana bread. Look at this. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's so good, looks so nice. It's still hot, you guys, but as you can see, the chocolate looks so yummy over there. I'm so ready to try it. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you so much for staying with me tonight.